Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white t-shirt with light blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with tan jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try beige black and brown printed shirt with black pants and black sandals. Next you can try light green oversized t-shirt with grey jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try tan double pocket shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try beige polo t-shirt with white pants and beige loafers. Next you can try white golden and blue striped shirt with white pants and black loafers. Next you can try white printed shirt with blue baggy jeans and blue sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white oversized t-shirt with black pants and yellow sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 printed shirt outfit ideas.